Hello,
Hi,
baby. Can you open your camera for me? Hi. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you, V?
I'm good.
You're good. That's nice
Yeah,
to hear. Okay, once again, V, my name is Teacher Christy. Okay, I'm Teacher Christy. Do you get that, V?
yeah,
Okay, are you ready?
yeah,
Okay, so I have a picture here. Do you see a picture, V?
yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me what is in the picture?
I see
You see a what they are doing.
drawing.
They are
They are a drawing.
they are making arts, right?
Mm,
Okay. Do you see some scissors that they are using scissors? Do you see that V? Hello? Hello V? Can you hear me?
nice.
Can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. What else? What they are using? They are using what?
I see. I see.
You
Um,
see, you see some coloring materials. Okay. Do you see some crayons? Okay. So now we will be moving on to this activity. Okay. Okay, V, can you see this picture?
I see pencil,
Okay. Okay, V.
ruler,
Okay,
eraser.
can you encircle? Okay, use annotate V. Use annotate. Then encircle the scissors. Can you encircle the scissors V?
Mm,
Where are the scissors in the picture? Can you annotate? Then, okay, very good. That is what?
scissor.
Okay, very good. That is scissors. How about the glue? Okay, can you spot or can you draw or can you encircle the glue? Very good. That is the glue. How about the paper? Where is the paper in that picture? Encircle the paper in the picture.
Anh ơi, không vẽ không không vẽ được cái không có biết vẽ đâu. Vẽ cái gì? Ừ.
And hello, V. Yes, can you
Này,
encircle the paper? Don't you
vẽ cái
see a
gì?
paper in the picture?
Bỏ con không biết vẽ.
Okay, you need the help. You need my help, V.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the paper.
Ừ.
This one is the paper. This one. Okay, this is the paper. How about the paint? V, can you help teacher to trace or to look where is the paint in the picture? A paint. Okay, can you spot paint in a picture? Okay, that is considered as a paint. What else? There's another uh paint in the picture. Okay, how about this one, B? This is paint. This is a paint that is color blue, covered by a yellow cap. And this one also. This is also a, what is B? A paint. Okay?
Mm.
Okay. Again, this one is a,
Mm. A scissors. Scissors.
okay, scissors. This is a scissors. How about, how about this one? This one, B. What is this? This is a
Glue.
glue. Very good. This is a glue. How about the next picture? This one. This is a
Paper.
paper. Very good. This is a paper. How about the last picture that we've traced a while ago? This one. What is this, V? This is a, this is a paint. Okay?
Mm.
Okay. What is the use of the scissors, V? What is the use of the scissors? We use scissors for, what is the use of the scissors, V? For cutting. We use scissors for, what is the use of the scissors? It is used to
Mm.
cut paper. Okay, we will use a scissors when we are cutting paper. Is that right, V?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the glue? Where can we use the glue? We can use glue to what?
Yeah.
To band. Okay, the two papers. Okay, we need a glue to bond two papers, right, B?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the paper? What is the use of the paper? We can use paper
Mm.
for writing. Okay, we can use paper for writing and for arts. Okay, especially coloring papers. Do you like arts, V?
No.
Why? Arts is fun. Okay, so the last one is the paint.
But
Okay, do you know what is paint, V?
yeah.
Okay, so now let us proceed to our lesson. Okay, okay. So this one, we will proceed to our art class. Okay, we will be having an art today. Okay, so before anything else, V, let us listen this. Okay, can we listen it, V?
Yeah.
Okay.
Page 4, Unit 1, Art Class, Lesson 1, School Supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Paper,
2,
glue,
3,
scissors,
4.
paint,
Okay. Okay, do you hear that, V?
Yeah.
Okay, these are the examples of a school supplies. Okay, do you have this on your bag, V? On your school supply? Do you use it at school?
Yeah.
Okay, so, okay, number one, what is this, V? This is a
Paper.
very good. This is a paper. How about number two? This is a
Glue.
what? Can you make it loud, V?
Glue.
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 Very good. Glue.
Glue.
How about this number three?
Scissor.
Okay, very good. Scissors. Number four, the last number.
Tape.
Okay, very good. Paint. What is the color of this paint, V? This is color.
It's green.
Okay, this is color green. Okay. And now, let us proceed to the children that is having an art activities. Okay, let us see this children's that has an art activities. Okay, do you remember them, V? Do you remember their faces and their names? No. This is Jolie, right?
Green.
Jolie. Okay. How about this boy beside Jolie? This is Danny. Do you
Green.
remember Danny? Danny has a blonde hair. Look at the hair of Danny. He is blonde, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this one? This girl wearing a purple headband.
Emma.
She is
Emma.
very good. She is Emma. Emma. Then the last boy is this one
Mike.
wearing a glass.
Mike.
Very good. This is Mike. Okay, this time we will see what they bring for their arts activities. Jolie has, what is this? This white one. This white one. Jolie has a paper. Okay, do you see this V?
Green.
Okay,
Yes.
paper. Okay. So Julie brings a paper for their
Green.
class, for their arts activities. How about Danny? What is it this holding? Danny
Glue.
brings a glue. Very good. While Emma brings a, what is this?
Scissor.
Scissors. And Danny has, what is
Tape.
this? Okay,
Tape.
paint. Okay, so Julie brings what? What is this V? This one? This
Paper.
white one? Very good paper. Danny brings
Glue.
glue. Emma brings
Scissor.
scissors. While Mike brings,
Tape.
okay, a paint. Okay, very good. So these children brings a art materials for their art activities. Okay, so let's proceed here. They are okay. Before we start, we will listen to the
Page 5. C. Listen and say. 1,
I have paper.
2,
I have glue.
3,
I have scissors.
4,
I have paint.
Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Mike says, what is this holding?
It's paper.
Paper. Okay, Mike says, I have a paper. While Danny says, I have a
Glue.
glue. Then this girl says she has
Mm. Scissors.
what is scissors. While this last girl has this. This is a what is this be? This color red
Paint.
paint. Okay. So do you experience that you have an art activity in your school, V? Do you make arts in your school? V, did your
Yeah.
teacher okay, you do an art activity. So you need to bring number one, what is this? You need to
Paper.
bring paper. Number two, what is this?
Glue.
Glue. Very good. Number three, what is this?
Scissors.
Scissors. And the last one, number four,
Paint.
okay, paint. For you to be able to make an arts, you need to bring a paper, a glue, a scissors, and a paint. Okay, you know what, V? Art is very fun. We can make things, we can drawings, we can have fun with the paints, cuts papers, and many more. Okay, so let's us sing, V. Do you want to sing? Do you want to sing? Do you want to hear a song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Page 5. D. Sing. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
I have paper.
Paper.
I have glue.
Glue.
I have scissors.
Scissors.
I have paint.
Paint.
Paper, glue, scissors, and paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
I have paper. Paper.
Paper.
I have glue.
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 I have scissors.
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 I have paint.
Paint. Paper. Glue. Scissors and paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
Okay. That is a great song. Okay, now V, uh, I want you to do this task, V. I know you can do it right. Okay, so now I want you to encircle where's the paper here. Can you encircle where's the paper in this box? Okay, can you encircle where's the paper in this box? Okay, use annotate V. Okay, please encircle a paper. Okay, very good. How about the scissors? Very good. How about a glue? Very good. How about the last one, the paint? Okay, wow. Okay, good job, B. You got it all right. Okay, I will give you an A plus grade because you are doing a great job. You have an A plus grade. Okay, okay, V. Can we have a picture, V? Can you smile for teacher? Just like this one. Smile.
Um,
Okay. Bye, V. See you next time. Bye, V.
ah.
Have a great day.